Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back, YouTubers. How was all doing? Continuing on with the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. We're going to take a look at this one today. The 1986 Texas Chainsaw Massacre Part 2, the gruesome edition. This is the DVD starring Dennis Hopper. And that's the Arrow Blu-ray, what came out in 2013. You can buy this one pretty cheap now. If you see this one about, it's worth picking up. It's a great one. A lot of discs inside this one. A lot of cool stuff on it. It's worth checking out. I've showed that already on my channel. I'm not going to go into the ins and outs of it because I've already done it before. Just going to show you this, like the spine there. Tobe early works. American Freak illustration. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2. This is in excellent condition. I bought it brand new, this one. As you can see, it's got a lot of cool stuff on it. Get on my channel. Check that one out. Right, this one. This is the DVD. Very first time I seen this, I think it was on the Bravo channel. I stayed up and watched it one night. And loved it. Loved it, loved it. Everything about it. Caroline Williams. Bill Moseley. Loved it. You're my favourite. Love when he says that. I love the ending of this as well. It's great stuff. Where you see him where he falls out like that weird tower thing. She's swinging the chainsaw. Dennis Hopper's pretty cool in this. Grandpa. I like where they bring some of the original cast members back. So you see them so many years later. The Great Chili Cook-Off, I like that as well. It's a great one. It's worth getting. There's not a lot of special features on this one. Original theatrical trailer. Interactive menu. Don't get a lot on it. But it's my old DVD. I had that one first. It's a great one for Halloween, this one. That one or that one. Worth checking out. I like the beginning as well of this. When you see those two guys and they're driving that like four-guy wagon. It's like a Jeep sort of thing. And you see another one and they're on a bridge and they're driving side by side like that. And Leatherface is in the back and he's got like a skeleton in front of him. And he gets a chainsaw out and slices his head open. Bits what I cut out of that. It's all in this one. It's a great one. How's all doing, YouTubers? Friday tomorrow. We'll continue on with a bit more Chainsaw Massacre. Dennis Hopper is great in this. I love where you see him where he goes into, do you know, like their lair where they're hiding. And he's got his chainsaw and he's hacking like, bring it all down. He's saying, bring it all down. And he's got his chainsaw and he's slicing like the wooden beams and it's falling down. It's great stuff. Have a quick look inside. See, that's all you get in there, look. Picture of Leatherface on the DVD. No inlays, nothing. Bare bones. I didn't pay a lot for that one. I think I paid about £3 for it. It's worth getting. I still see this one about every now and then. That one you can still pick up. You go online, you can get that one. It's a nice little gem that to have in your collection. I think I picked that up in HMV. I seen it and there was only so many released and I snapped it up straight away. I've got to get that on Blu-ray in my collection. It looks good, sounds good, looks excellent in 1080p when I've got it on the big screen. And there you have it. Come back tomorrow. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre Part 2. Dennis Hopper, the DVD and the Arrow Blu-ray. If you want to see what's in that, go and have a look at my video on my channel. It's there from months ago. Catch us all tomorrow. Rock on. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre Part 2.